On a friggin', got rid of that Mustang, thank God.
Yeah.
Yeah. One pain in the ass gone.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't have to maintain it or do anything,
Yeah.
But these I have to, Bruce. What was I gonna say? The Ford truck I can sell. I don't want to.
Right.
I want to keep it,
I mean, it's good to have a backup.
You
You don't ever.
all the work you did to it so far.
You don't ever know.
Yeah.
This thing pukes out.
Yeah.
You got another one.
Hey, Bruce.
Yeah.
Can you fix that radiator?
I can try.
JB welding it or something, or
Try brazing it.
what is it?
Brazing it.
What's that?
Just basically just welding it with a braze.
I see. You want to try, you think?
Yeah, I'll try it while it's here.
Because I think I'm going to keep it,
Yeah, I'll try it while it's here.
Cool. Bruce, we appreciate this. Do not get hurt, okay? Because those brakes, they're fucking monster brakes. Rick showed me them in there. These are big boys. Ouch. You don't? I don't blame you. It looks like a pain in the ass, 94 GMC rear brakes being installed by good old Bruce here. You want it done, call Bruce. Right, Bruce?
Yeah.
That's stuck on there, Bruce?
Everything's just rusted. I know the adjusters are all rusted.
Wow. Jeez, huh?
There's that shoe. There's
Oh my
nothing,
God.
There's nothing like it.
No.
And that one's even worse.
Wow. Huh? Oh yeah. Mr. Yole's gone.
Yeah, see the wheel cylinder's are leaking. See how it's coming out?
Yeah.
Shouldn't do that.
Okay. Tell me what you need, all right, Bruce, over here? And the bag of goodies we got.
Get the hose over here and spray all this shit down.
It's running like shit. It's hesitating again.
Yeah, this motor's getting fucking tired.
Is it? Just throw the oil in it, Bruce.
It's been tired for years.
I hear ya. Once it gets going, it's all right. It's that initial 20, 30 miles, Bruce. Oh shit. Joe, you checking this out, Joe? You see what he's doing? Another biggie. Really? That's a fucking mess. See the fucking difference in these. Joe, look at the difference. Can you see the difference?
Yeah.
Fucking meat difference. Look at them all. Damn.
Did on the freaking one.
How thick that is on the shoe. This one here is fucking thin as hell. Gone. All you people out there, don't attempt this if you don't know what you're doing. Right? You will get hurt.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, yeah. Bruce, you need anything at the store? Want anything? Coffee, cold drink?
No, I'm fine.
You sure? Working it at Bruce's house. Rare breaks in this thing. Bruce don't fuck around, people. That's the drum. Huh? Oh, I just thought with the camera.